If your Mazda Tribute's air conditioner suddenly stops cooling, don't panic, and don't rush to replace the compressor just yet. Many times, the problem isn't mechanical at all. It's electrical. A small fuse or relay failure can completely stop your AC system from working. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to look inside the engine bay fuse box, how to test the components, and how to fix the problem fast, all without special tools. First, open the hood and look near the battery. You'll see a large black box with several clips. That's the engine compartment fuse and relay box. Carefully unclip and lift the cover. On the inside of the cover, you'll see a printed diagram that labels every fuse and relay. This is your guide. Now, look for these specific ones: ASC relay, cooling fan relay 1 and 2, heater relay, and EEC relay. These are all related to your air conditioning system and engine cooling performance. Let's talk about what each of these does. The ASC relay controls the clutch on the compressor. It allows power to engage the compressor when you turn on the AC. The cooling fan relays activate the radiator and condenser fans, which remove heat from the refrigerant. The heater relay supports cabin air control and sometimes affects fan speed logic. The EEC relay, or electronic engine control relay, provides power to the system that manages compressor engagement logic. If any of these fail, your AC system can stop working completely, even if everything else looks fine. Start by checking all the AC-related fuses. Use a fuse puller or needle nose pliers to remove each one carefully. Hold it up to the light. If the metal strip inside is broken or burned, that fuse is blown and must be replaced. Always use a new fuse with the same amperage rating, for example, 15A for 15A. Next, move on to the relays. You can test a relay by swapping it with another identical one in the box. If the AC works after swapping, you've found the faulty relay. For a more accurate test, use a multimeter. Check for continuity between the main relay terminals. If there's no reading, the coil is likely bad. You can also apply 12 volts to the control pins. A good relay will click and show continuity. Once confirmed, reinstall everything, start the engine, and switch on the AC. Listen carefully for the compressor clutch click and fan activation. Those two sounds mean the system is functioning properly again. If all fuses and relays are good but your AC still doesn't cool, check whether both cooling fans are spinning when the AC is on. If they don't, you might have a bad fan motor, corroded connector, or faulty temperature sensor. Also inspect the wiring harness near the relay box. Sometimes moisture, dust, or oxidation can interrupt the current flow. To prevent this from happening again, always keep your fuse box clean and dry. A quick spray of electrical contact cleaner every few months can keep the terminals corrosion-free. Remember, a tiny fuse can stop your whole AC system from working.